severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Muskingum and Perry. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Now looking at the
National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Meigs County in southeastern Ohio, northeastern Benton County in southeastern Ohio, western Athens County in southeastern Ohio until 3:30 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Nelsonville and moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Athens, Nelsonville, Albany, Chauncey, Butchville, Stroud Run State Park, and Des Plaines. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive in areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report hail or strong wind to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX.
A severe thunderstorm